Looking around, what do you see? Let's find things with you and me. When I ask where, I want to know, where did the toy go? Show me so. Where? Here, here. Finding things is fun over here. When I say here, I point right near. Right by me, it's very clear. Where? Here. Finding things is fun over here. Where is the book? Here it is. Finding things is easy whiz. Where? Here. Finding things is fun over here. Ask and point, try it now. Where or here, take a bow. Where and here, great job today. Finding words, help us say. Where? Here. Finding things is fun over here.